Now we will discuss about one of the simple topic, that is electronegativity. Generally, electronegativity means the atoms have gained electron. That property or phenomenon is known as electronegativity. But now we will discuss about if give a different compounds, that compound have ionic or covalent, then how can we determine these compounds have ionic or covalent? That can be explained by electronegativity scale. Is one of the scale, that scale discovered by Linus Pauling or proposed by Linus Pauling. This electronegativity means in a covalent bond the relative ability of each atom to attract the bonded pair of electrons towards itself is called a electronegativity. This is the definition for electronegativity. Then how can we calculate or how can we determine electronegativity? By Linus scale. In our textbook, page number 35, showing a one of the scale, that is picture 2.10, is different elements have different values. For example, in carbon, the values for Linus scale is 2.44 and oxygen, that is 3.44. Then how can we calculate the compound is ionic or covalent? Then Linus Pauling is pointed out or explained the values, electronegativity of elements ranging from 0 to 4. That is, value starts from 0 then ending 4. Then he calculates different values of each element. For example, if we take sodium chloride, if we already discussed sodium chloride is one of the ionic bonds, then how can we calculate sodium chloride is ionic bond is based on Linus Pauling scale. There are two elements is in sodium chloride, that is one is sodium and another one is chloride. Okay, then the values of sodium and chlorine is shown in your Linus Pauling scale. Then the difference is take the difference of sodium and chlorine and finally calculate if the difference in the electronegativity values elements in a compound is 1.7 is more, then that compound is ionic bond, and 1.7 is less, then the compound become covalent. If we calculate the compound is ionic or covalent, then if we take the values of electronegativity and if we take the difference in each atom, then finally conclude or finally the values become below 1.7 and above 1.7. If below 1.7 the compound become covalent and above 1.7 the value, the bond or compound become ionic. That means sodium chloride, the value above 1.7. So sodium chloride is a ionic bond. But another example, carbon monoxide. The value of carbon is 2.55 and oxygen is 3.44. Then difference, if we take these elements, that is 0.89. So the value less than 1.7. So the element or compound become covalent character.